Hi there, welcome to the new video of our series Excel tutorial for beginners on Mentor's Edge. In today's video, we will explore two groups, the alignment and the number group under the Home tab. So let's get started. Welcome back. Let's first familiarize with the options available in these groups, and then we will discuss each one in detail. In the alignment group, you will find the horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, orientation, wrap text, margin center, and indentation. Whereas the number group contain number format, increase or decrease decimal places, comma style, percent style, and accounting number format. Let's now deep dive in these options one by one. Horizontal and vertical alignment. First, let's look at the basic alignment options. You can align text left, center, or right horizontally, and top, middle, or bottom vertically within a cell. By default, text is aligned to the left and numbers to the right, but you can change it anytime. Orientation or rotating text. Next is the orientation button. This allows you to rotate text diagonally, vertically, or even stack it. This is useful for headers or when you need to save space in your worksheet. Wrap text. Wrap text is one of the most useful options. When text is too long for a cell, instead of overflowing into the next cell, wrap text will display it on multiple lines inside the same cell. Just click the button and Excel adjusts the row height automatically. Margin center. Next we have margin center. This combines multiple cells into one larger cell. For example, you can select cells A1 to E1 and use merge and center to create a single heading across your table. You can also use merge across or merge cells if you don't want to text in center. Indentation and text control. You can also increase or decrease indent to move text inward from the cell borders. This is helpful when creating neatly aligned reports. Now we will explore the options available in number group, which is all about controlling how your data looks. Whether it's plain numbers, currency, dates, or percentages. Default number format. By default, Excel uses the general format. This means numbers appear just as you type them, without special formatting. But you can change this to suit your data. Number formats drop down. In the number group, you will see a drop down list. Here you can choose formats like number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, and more. Number format examples. Numbers adds decimal places and can include commas. Currency adds a currency symbol next to your value like dollar or pound. Accounting similar to currency, but symbols and decimals are aligned neatly in a column. Percentage multiplies the value by 100 and adds a percentage sign. Date and time lets you display values as calendar values, dates or time instead of plain numbers. Increase or decrease decimal places. You can use the increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons to control how many decimal places are shown. This doesn't changes the actual value, only how it displayed. Accounting number format shortcut. This is also a quick button for accounting number format. By default, it shows your system's currency, but you can change it by clicking the drop down and choosing another currency symbol. Well, practice yourself all these and previously learned options regularly so you may get control over presenting your data professionally. That's it for today's lesson on the alignment and number group in Excel. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mentor's Edge and click the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep excelling with Mentor's Edge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.